Coach Ed, how to avoid wrong judgment for self-awareness. How to know if I am doing it wrong. Okay? Ang hirap, ano? Kasi lalo na kung, because we all have our cognitive biases eh. May mga biases tayo. Kaya malaking bagay ang meron kang kaibigan na level-headed, no? Ito po yung, kung meron akong maipapayo sa inyo, humanap kayo ng kaibigan na level-headed, no? Yung mahinahon, at kayang magsabi sa iyo ng totoo. So if you feel uncertain, about the decision you're going to make, it helps, anong tawag doon? Call a friend, no? Call a friend. Oh, kasi we will not always make the right decisions eh. Even if we have strong self-control, sometimes we don't have a full understanding of the implication of what we're going to do. So it helps na meron kang kaibigan na level-headed, objective, hopefully matalino, mabibigyan ka ng wisdom, ano? Ayan.